Hey guys, it is April 15th and we're going to start today with some figurative language notes. We have discussed simile, we've discussed metaphor, we've got a new one for today. So if you've got your notes, let's go ahead and get writing these down. Today we're going to look at personification. Personification is giving human characteristics or traits to objects, such as talking, feeling, or moving. Okay, so giving human characteristics or traits to objects, such as talking, feeling, moving. Okay, and our example, the leaves waved in the wind. Okay, and why is that personification? Because waving involves having hands, and leaves do not have hands, so leaves cannot physically wave. Okay, that is why that is personification. Okay, so again, personification, giving human characteristics, traits to objects such as talking, feeling, moving, and our example, the leaves waved in the wind. Okay, today you are just reading Chapter 5 in Number the Stars. Again, you have that option to read it or listen to it. It is 7 pages today. So again, feel free to read it or listen to it. And that's it. Kind of a light day today. Hope you guys are doing well. And again, any questions, send me an email, let me know. Talk to you all tomorrow. Bye.